E46 M3. We're just gonna do a wash on it, get it all looking really nice. So wash involves, it's not really that dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna soap it up. So shoot it with some foam, pressure wash it down, just wash and dry, and then do a little spray shine after. Quick detailer, so.
That's pretty good.
Okay, so I put about, this is my foam gun. I put about that much soap, and then the rest water. You can put more if you want more suds. So this is just, instead of using a mitt, I just like to use these really plush towels. I use them to wash, and I also use them to dry off as well. So I actually did Optico Pro Plus ceramic coated these wheels, and they literally are the easiest rim I've ever had to do to wash. I don't really even start with all pressure wash. It's crazy. It's crazy. It breaks, and I wail on this. Every time I'm driving it, I'm putting it down. So brake dust. So I'm using the Dry Duo. This is I got this from Detail Division. Scott over this sent this down, and this is the towel. You literally only have to use this towel. It'll dry your whole car down. So anyway, same thing. Put down your whole car with one towel. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We did our 2002 E46 SMG transmission. Click subscribe and leave comments to let me know what you want to see or what you want us to do, because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff to this. This is fresh paint, so I'm probably going to be wet sanding it, doing some stuff to the wheels, and just doing some random things. So thank you. Press subscribe and comment below. Peace out.